Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Russell futures today as they're having a strong session today. We're seeing them up over 2.5% currently. With the other major equity index futures markets up marginally on the day, the Russell futures certainly outperformed today, and we're looking at the current futures market at 2,358, which is the top end of the range for today. And it's challenging those highs that we did see in March. So the Russell futures are poised to potentially put in a new all-time high, similar to some of the other equity index futures markets that we have been seeing that unfold the last week or so. And so I think when you look at some of the factors contributing to why we're seeing this renewed strength in the Russell, seasonality is possibly one of the big drivers here. Historically, we do see the small caps outperform the large caps as we move towards the end of the year. Of course, we're first day of trading in November, so potentially we're seeing some allocation profiles being rotated into the small caps, anticipating the possibility of that unfolding. Couple that with the dollar holding here, came back below 94, but still we did see a nice bounce in the dollar, pushing it back above 94. And I think, again, the stronger dollar historically has been beneficial to the small cap sector, so maybe that's another factor helping to support the seasonality component today. And just the general trends in the market as well. As I mentioned, when we look at the other equity index futures markets, we did see them all marginally higher today, and all with those marginally higher gains today for those equity index futures markets. All three of them went to new all-time highs. So when we look back at today's price action, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ futures all went to new all-time highs today. And now we're seeing the Russell futures challenging those highs from March, but just shy of potentially putting in a new to all-time high as well.